Hi guys, welcome to my channel Flavors of Ruby, where we learn how to make the simplest yet delicious meals. In today's recipe, we are making English breakfast without baked beans. For our ingredients, we have baby tomatoes, mushrooms, eggs, pork pate, butter, bacon, bread, our salt, all-purpose seasoning, and olive oil. If you happen not to like any of these meat proteins, you can omit them. So we put our pan on our stove, break our eggs, whip it till the seasoning mixes with the eggs. At this point, we drizzle a bit of olive oil into our pan, pour in our egg mixture and fry it for about 2 minutes. And we fry it in batches because I have a large family. Next, in goes the bacon, in which I cooked in batches as well. You can see that my pan is pretty small, so I have to take my time and do this in batches. So that is exactly what I'm doing. Second batch is also done. So I'm using the bacon fat to cook my pork patty because this is really dry. So it doesn't have a lot of oil coming out of it. So I decided to use the bacon fat to cook my patty. And that is also done. The next is our mushroom. I'm gonna use the butter to cook our mushroom. We're gonna cook our mushroom in its own juices. In goes our mushroom. We do love mushroom. My family, we do really love mushrooms a lot. And then a drizzle of olive oil. And the next thing is we added our all-purpose. I added the all-purpose seasoning. I really do love this seasoning. It's really my go-to. I realized that I needed a little bit of butter, so I dropped in. So you can see, as you can see, the mushroom is cooking in its own juices, and right now you have to let the juice of the mushroom completely evaporate. Next is our baby tomatoes. In goes our butter, and then our seasoning. The idea is not to overcook this. The idea is just to get it a little bit cooked so that the juices of the butter and then the seasoning will infuse the baby tomatoes. That's the idea, but not to cook it to be mushy. So as you can see, this is perfect. This is exactly what we need. So that is also done. Using the juice and the butter from the baby tomatoes, I'm putting in my bread to toast. I added a bit more butter. The outside is gonna be crunchy, but the inside is still gonna remain soft. And with the butter soaked in the bread, it's super delicious. So as you can see, I flipped it over after 2 minutes on each side. So yes, that is it. The first batch is done. I'm taking it out of the pan. Then we move on to the next batches. I did the same thing to the rest of the bread, and which all came out beautifully. This is what we like. We like, one of my kids like it burnt actually, but this is just perfect. This is perfect. Really delicious, crunchy, and so yummy. Very, very yummy. So that's it for our bread. As you can see, it's ready. And final look on our plate. Isn't this delicious? Doesn't this look inviting? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for taking the time to subscribe to our channel. I hope that you come again. Please like our video, share, and subscribe. Okay? Press on the notification bell whenever we post a video so that you'll be first to know. Thank you so much. Show your girl some love by sharing, okay? Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye.